occasions when important access to as much borrowed stocks as they may need. Occasions when the claim made on available supplies of stocks are temporarily too great. That means you see when everyone is buying, the supply of stocks is too great. Everyone is buying, trading is hot until big boys are able to locate more stock to borrow. So you have the answer now. They are at the back, okay, borrowing script. Okay, you see, how can the day, you see the day before, you see you see the day before it went up. The next day one trading hot, the thing get down. So they're borrowing scripts at the back to short the market down. Okay? So this is one of the many examples I spotted the high. And then take a look at this. You know, these are called circuit breakers. Okay? You have to go and check it out yourself. Take a look at this Campbell Corp, good news. You see? Remember this day, Brazil, this Campbell Corp got this deal, Brazil thing. Can you see? Anyone? And this is mostly the top. You see what happened the next few days? Yeah, you see what happened? So when there's a trading halt, you know, you better be careful, you know. Seriously, when the stock has a trading halt, you really have to be careful. Someone is at the back, borrowing scripts here and there, when everyone is buying. You know why must trading halt? So they can borrow scripts. And when everyone is buying, finally the script is enough for what? Short the market, that's correct. Okay? So you take a look, Capcom. This is in when? 2012. Again, I spot the top. Okay? See, after that, the thing crashed. The thing crashed. Okay? So this is, public always get slaughtered for nothing. Okay? So now,
is that always the case?
Not always the case. Some gap up are real. Some gap up are real, but you must be able to identify both. Take a look at this. Anyone think this is a bullish bar? Put up your hand. Anyone thinks this is a bullish bar? I tell you something, this is not a bullish bar, this is the bearish, most bearish bar. Okay? You take a look at this. You know how I spot all my top and bottom? Because all the top have this kind of behavior. Mostly have this kind of behavior. They always open low, close high. And I tell myself, I always unload at open low, close high. Book profits. Okay? Take a look at this. Conversely, this is what? Bullish or bearish? Bullish lah, of course. And this is how I spot all my bottom. Okay? So you can see all the bottoms when I spotted is open low, close, open high, close low. So you know they are. If you're able to spot this when everyone is spending, you buy. Your risk is much higher than when everyone is excited they buy. Okay? So when you buy a stock, always buy when everyone is what? Everyone is fearful, not very fun. Okay? So anyone know what's profit taking? I showed you all so much, you know, how to spot top and bottom. Any questions? You know, profit taking is so important. Without this profit taking, you cannot see the top. You cannot see the distribution process. Anyone know distribution process? This thing, profit taking must happen first before you can see the distribution process. Okay? What I'm sharing here today, I'm very sure you cannot find in books. Okay? I'm very sure you cannot find books. You go internet find, also cannot find. So what I'm sharing here today is valuable. If you want to learn how to trade stocks, you have to know all these processes. Okay, profit taking is when big boys, after a certain rush of price, they will what? Take money off the table. After taking money off the table, what will happen? Tell me, up or down? Up. You see, you take money off the table, what's the next thing you must do? You must short the market. You want to short the market, you put the price down or up? Up. That's the answer. Okay? And so when you see when after profit taking the stock goes up, everyone will be buying, but I'll be down there watching, just like how I watch my UOB. Flash crash happen, don't touch first, wait. Everyone is buying that one bar. Okay, that's the top. And then the thing will crash. Okay? So profit taking is the most important process. And let me see if I capture some. Okay, watch here. Do you see SGX? SGX. Take a look at this SGX. I'm not going to read all of it. But take a look at the chart. This day I call the last burst of strength. That means to tell you that this should be the high for SGX. And which day I posted? 2011. Okay, I said this is the top for SGX. Last burst really. Last. Okay? So you see what happened to SGX after the next. You see after this day. April 5th. See what happened to SGX? Crashing all the way. Because everyone is buying. everyone is buying. Everyone is buying. Please don't ever touch the stock anymore. Okay, you have to look to either short, okay, or you book your profits and go. Okay, so important thing to take back. Never buy when everyone is buying. Buy when everyone is fearful. Okay, and how I make calls like that is because I always spot people panic, they throw, now we there to suck the stock. Then after that you see the price rally, and then this is from me now, okay. Then you know if I spot the bottom is mostly I'll definitely find one stock that will go in tandem with STI. You know which stock goes in tandem with STI? You know why? Well, you all want to make money, you all have to be watching the screen at least 1 month, have a feel of the market before you all can see what I see. So, do you know which stocks is in tandem with STI? Anyone? Bank stocks. Well, yes, right. Yeah, the bank stocks. Last time there's this one stock called Noble. Anyone? So before? Yes. It's always in tandem with STI, but too bad. This stock is just not following STI anymore. STI. Sorry? It's very simple reason. Because Noble, there's too many sellers.
It also depends on the company's development.
Now, let me ask you a question. Okay, good. Now, you all will be honest. Be honest. Who wants to make money tomorrow? Tomorrow, not 1 week later. So, the answer to your question is people will make money tomorrow, not the fundamental of the stock. So you make money tomorrow, you cannot use fundamental because you see too much news, too much fundamental. Then my point to you is up or down. People want to know up or down. That's all. Up or down. Just like when I spotted the capital land, not I spotted, my students spotted capital land at the top. Yeah, this is down. So if they boom, one long gap down. Okay? So when I see a lot of hands put up, want to make money tomorrow, I know most people are here for what? Fast fun. Okay? Not for here for company prospect go no good. Really. For fast fun. Okay? So you take a look at this stock, Capital Corp. You know when I spot my bottom. Take a look at all the open, high, close, low bar. Can you see here how I spot my bottom? Okay? You see when you spot the bottom like this, you see a gap down here, you spot a bottom like this, tell you what, you don't have to be worried anymore. You already got a third cheap price, okay? The thing will rebound and rebound is going to be fierce. Really fierce. So when you want to buy stocks, always buy when everyone's panic. Let it gap down, okay? But there's one thing that's missing, the timing thing. The timing element is missing. So when you get down, you be on high alert. Get down doesn't mean a buy. Watch first, watch. Just like my UOB, you know. You see, there's a flash crash, but I straight away go to call for the top there. No, watch first. Keep watching until the day it will happen on definitely about there. Okay, that's the day. Okay. So you must. Doesn't mean a gap down you buy. Doesn't mean it goes up you short or whatever. Always watch first. Okay, and take a look at this stock called Straits Times. Okay, you see, can anyone see this bar here? Anyone see this bar? One long bar breakdown. Can anyone see? Who thinks it's a short? I think all of you think it's a short. You know why? Because you all see the hindsight, you see the future already. Okay? But on that day, you go see my blog. I don't know which day it is, but you go to the chart and take a look. On this day I say this one no short. Fake one. Okay? Fake breakdown. After that you see here, another breakdown here. Anyone thinks it's a short here? You say no, never short. And then this is a short here. Around here, I call for a short here and then it crashed. Okay? But this is not a short, this is not a short. This is to tell you that there are signs of what? Signs of? Huh? No. Profit taking. Profit taking, the bar must be up or down? Down. You take profit, you sell, the thing will come down. Okay? So profit taking is always down. So you can see profit taking here. After that it goes up a little bit. See, profit taking, distribute more, distribute, down already. Okay? So when there's profit taking is important to understand. Yes, it is so important. If you want to spot top and bottom, it's so important that you need to know roughly where is people taking profit, and then the next step they will do is they will sell out the market. They will push the market up, as you can see from here. This is Straits Times. I cannot control Straits Times. I'm not a BB to control Straits Times, but I know the tricks here and there. Okay, the tricks are so important. Okay, now I shared you all so many stuff. You all tell me, anyone using support reserve to trade the market? Anyone using support resistance? 3, 1, 2. Who else use support resistance? So is it, let me ask you a question, is support resistance, the consistency, is it there? Take a look at this chart. This is space time again. You see all the horizontal line blue. You keep shorting, the thing will going up. Okay? So support resistance is for public, like all of you. You know? Oh, we hit resistance. Short already. No. Actually it's not that simple. You should look at profit taking and distribution process. That's the clue how I spot my top and bottom. That's the clue, not the support resistance. The support resistance are for people like all of you, because you see, if I don't come up with support resistance, these two words, support resistance, then how is the big one going to make money from you? When everyone's doing the same thing, then what? Then it's easy to make money from all of you, as simple as that. Okay? So you must be different from others, and you don't watch support resistance. Okay? And look at this. That support resistance is one thing. And take a look at this. Anyone heard of hammer? Candlestick hammer, heard of before? See? People buy on hammer. You see what happened? It crashed. Cut loss. Can anyone tell me that there's a stop here? Anyone say this is stop here? You know, this day I forgot, this day I called for a talk, but I know when I spot this process here, the profit taking process. Can anyone see here? You see the breakdown bar here? Is here? Profit taking here, can see? Don't short. The thing will go up. You see, it go up a little bit more. Okay? When you see a breakdown, don't short first. Wait first, let it go up first. Because it will go up. Not guaranteed that 70-80% will go up. Because if someone is taking profit, if I want to put the price down, I cannot short on the way down. I need to short on the way up or down. Up. And that's why you see this so-called yellow. Okay? Okay, this is what UOB. You know, guys, you know something about big boys. Anyone knows about big boys? There are tricks here and there. Maybe you can name one trick, I can tell you whether it's real or not. I would say I know most of their tricks. So that is why I can create, or I can know what are they doing beforehand. Okay, take a look at this stock, UOB. Can you see, anyone see the bottom? There's some buying there, right at the bottom. Can anyone see there's buying there? Anyone can see, I believe. Okay, then we shall not talk about this. Because everyone can see, you know? Okay. Very simple. Can you see this crash is so fierce? You see the speed, the magnitude when it comes down is so fierce. Okay? Just to tell you that they are buying, right? They are going to buy the stock up. Because you see, if I don't put the price down fast and furious, can I buy the stock at the cheapest price at the fastest time? So if I want to buy the cheapest time at the fastest time, what should I do? Yeah. So you see the thing flash out so fast. And that's why I know that's the bottom. Okay, it's very simple. Because can you see here? Can you see here? Anyone? There's some buying here. Okay. So if the people are buying, if there's people buying there, what's the next thing must happen? Yes, correct. Sell. That's the word. Public are buying, whoever buying, I need to sell that one last time so that I can create a big rally to come. After you see the rally is very fierce. Okay? When I spot people buying, I don't buy. I know one thing will happen. The thing will crash one more time first. Okay? Then I'll buy. Okay? And yeah, it's proven now, okay? I've spotted many times, so it's proven. See, look at the top. This is, who remember this day? The debt ceiling result, August 1st, 2011. Take a look at this. Take a look at this here. The unloading effect. Do you know this day I call for the top? Okay, you have to go back to the blog. I think the internet is a bit slow, so to juggle here and there, might not be fine. Okay. So that day I call for the top. Okay, and I tell everyone, big boys are unloading. Okay, and you see what happened the next 1 week. The thing crashed.
The volume doesn't give any clue.
No, I don't watch volume. Because everyone watch volume, that's the answer. So, you see, when everyone watch volume, you don't watch volume. You watch something else. And that something else is bar. Bars will give you the answer. No need to watch volume. You see, take a look, sir. Watch volume here. You see here? You see the volume here? But you see here no volume. How do I know this is the top? Doesn't after I call for the top. Okay? Wait, let me see what. Okay. I will finish a few more slides and I'll tell you a story. Okay? Now watch this. Traditionally, yeah, volume. Traditionally, everyone use volume. Can you see here? All the high volume breakup, whatever you see, the thing came off. So I don't use volume because I know everyone is using it. I need to use something more powerful than volume. Something that gives me an edge to see things before volume comes in. Okay, I got many poles that can show you that. Okay, trend lines. Who use trend lines here? Okay, trust me, it doesn't work. I'll tell you why. Because every time you say you try to short here, put profit here, you make some. Here you try to buy, you cut loss. You violate the trend line a little bit. Then it goes up. You try to short here, it goes up again. So the consistency is not there. What you want is consistency. Okay, not one day make, lose, make. Then ask yourself, what's the point of trading? No point, okay? Unless you're an investor, then different story. How many here are punters? Punters. Okay, then good. 1, 2. It means you 1 week at least must trade 3-4 times like that. Then you feel happy that kind. Because okay, who has passion for trading? Not trading, speculation. Trading is for traders, not for me. Who has passion for speculating? Speculating, that means you want to see things before other people see. So you got trading edge. Speculating. I believe all of you, right? Okay. So I'll show you more later. Okay. So if you have passion, don't give up. You know, sometimes, this 1 month I've been in a very bad streak. Not say bad, but a very bad luck streak. I can buy one stock and the stock don't move. But all the stocks I posted on my blog all move. The one that I tried to move. So I know sometimes in life, a brick is going to hit your head, but you cannot give up. Sometimes it's like that. There's a roadblock. You cannot. You see, when you see everyone making money, you feel happy. You see everyone making money again. You see like, wow, all stocks chill, then your stock not moving, you feel like what? then you tell yourself, you cut loss, you also feel what? Pain, right? It's like throwing money to the drain. You know, this month, from December to now, I throw about $20,000 to the drain. I cut loss on my Nam Cheong, my Anti-Vision, my YHM. You know, I bought YHM at 33 cents. We went up to 27, 38, or 39. But I cut loss at 31. You know, I bought Nam Cheong at 23 cents. I cut loss at 20. I bought Nam Cheong at 23 and a half. I cut loss at 23 cents. Then what happened? Went up to 29 again. Artificial is the worst stock, not moving. Okay, so I got stuck in that stock for a long time. But Informatics is running, Samsung is running, everything is running. Okay, so sometimes you get in a bad streak, but you can never give up because when you give up, that's the end. You will not. When you see another stock that's about to run, you're not there already. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is, if you have passion, please don't give up. Okay, I don't want to go through this slide because it's support resistance. You can see this straight line chart. You can see the high goes higher. Agree? So support resistance is not the way to go. This is even worse. Who use this parabolic SAR MACD? Okay. So this one is good for one kind of people, fund managers, because they go for longer view. Unless you are an investor or what, so then you go for longer view. Yes, then you use this kind of indicators. But these are mathematical formulas. They come up with some formulas. But you know, the stock market is not made out of mathematical formulas. What is the stock market made out of? Anyone? Yes, right. If you can understand that stock market is made out of emotion, then you don't use all this anymore. Okay? Okay, take a look at this. Take a look at this. Now, sir, answer a question. You asked me a question just now. You said, does volume give you a clue? I said no. Okay. Why? Let me show you something. Okay. For everything I do, guys, do you know why today my blog has so many hits? Because for everything I do, I fully trade record. I show people I trade. I don't just make one call and then, making call like talking and you say, hey, should calm down. Then you calm down. Hey, that day I told you calm down, you never follow me. You always do that, right? Okay? But when you tell people this stock will come down and you just talk only, there's no feeling right now. But when you tell people it's coming down and then you put money in the market, you know what happens to you or not? You cannot talk anymore now. You know why? Because I told you at the top, everyone is buying what? When you short, you won't talk anymore because the price keeps rising, right? Agree? So I always do one thing. I always show people that I trade. Okay, I really trade, and it's not demo. It's real account. Okay. Okay, take a look at this stock. Anyone see this volume? Anyone see volume here? Here. Anyone see volume? This is a 2-minute chart. GMG. 2-minute chart. You see the volume came in. Agree? But you see where is my buying? I bought 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyone see I bought 5 times? Okay.
I saw this one before.
Okay.
You see the little spikes there, seems like some buying from company.
Yes, but up or down?
I mean,
Now,
if it's big volume buying, it's naturally some.
there's no volume here, sir.
Huh?
There's no volume.
I mean the volume below this.
Yeah.
Yeah. The little spikes here, you see? Before that.
But here, you see,
No,
but
no, no.
I know, here, right?
Yeah.
But can you see here, when I buy, there's no volume.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then at least give some indication somebody's interested. Right?
Not really. Not really. I can show you many other stocks there's no volume. I'll show you later. But let me finish this first. Okay? Watch this. Can you see I bought a few times here? 10:45 I buy, 11 o'clock I buy, 1:45 I buy, 2 o'clock I buy, 2:53 I buy. Can you see I buy 5 times? Anyone know why I do this? Anyone know I do this for a reason? I don't just buy for nothing. Anyone knows why? You see, when you buy a stock, you want to report because look at you must go slow, 200. At least move a little bit. Not moving, right? Then you see, something get flushed down again. Oh, take another chance to buy that again. Move up a bit, then flush down again, buy again. You see, until the 5th time when I buy, you see here, 2:43, 3 o'clock. You see now, the difference about 15 minutes. You see what happened to the stock after that? It breakout. Okay, and yes, after you see when you break out, you must always do one thing only. Look to profit, take profit and go. You see after that the thing came off again. You see here? I took profit around the top here. Around here, the thing crashed. This is in September 2012. Okay, of course now GMG went higher but my method, my skill, my analysis can work different frame. That means I can go for 4 minutes, 4 hours. This is a 2-minute chart. I can go for 2 minutes. I can go for 4 hours. I can go for daily, yearly, weekly. So whatever I see in the chart may not be something that you see. Okay, but this is how I see chart. When volume comes in, everyone buying, I need to what? Sell a little stock. And when I sell, because I see a lot of flushing, as I mentioned earlier on. Okay? And when I sell, can you see all the money I made here? I mean, it's not a lot of money, but the thing is, when I sell, the thing start to came off again. And that's why I know a lot of people are around. They bought. You see, the problem with traders is the volume must come in, the breakout where they buy. Agree? Agree not? There's no volume come in, no breakout, who will buy? Anyone buy? Alright, okay. So that's the clue. When you break out, I will sell. Okay, I'll answer another question of yours. Let's go to this post called CapitaLand. Okay, CapitaLand is my most favorite stock. You know why? This stock I can gauge a lot of things. I can gauge Hang Seng. I can use this stock to gauge Hang Seng. I can use this stock to time the physical property market, which I'll show you later. You see, there's this one post. Okay, let me show you this post first, but I'll show you another post. Okay, November 5th, 2012. Take a look, this is the most classic post. Okay? Not classic, there are more classic, but this is just one of the many. Take a look at this. This is my student, he said, Ron, can you take a look at your mark? You see you can try to fund. I said, no, watch CapitaLand. Short, long, tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. So, November 5th, I made a call to this student. The next day, tomorrow is what day? 7. 6. Let's go to CapitaLand chart. Can you see here? What day is that? November 5th. You see now? What happened next 2 days? The thing had a furious breakout. You see here? You see here the furious breakout here? This two bar can make you shitload of money, seriously. Okay? So I told my student, you know what? Tomorrow just buy capital, it will go up. Look too long. I'm gonna say go up, but look too long. Okay? So you see this today, the thing break out, and there's no volume when I bought. There's no volume when I bought. Okay? See the volume here? There's nothing. I really don't want volume. Trust me. Okay? If everyone is doing the same thing, I will do the opposite. Okay?
What's the symptom?
The symptom is because I saw people buying secretly. Not buying, secretly buying. You know, secretly buying is, you know how to do secretly buying. You see when the volume comes in, you see that when the volume comes in, it's real buying, I mean it's buying already. Because everyone, the thing break up, everyone will buy, every minute. But when there's no volume, no nothing, how to know it's secretly buying? Someone is secretly buying, and I watch the minute chart, of course. I watch the minute chart. Okay, to deduce that the day is secretly buying, the next day will break out, that's all. Okay, when it break out, you see the volume comes in, I'm not there, but I'll be there to collect money. Okay, let me show you another post. Also CapitaLand, and this is one of the most wait. Wow, I got too many posts. I just need to go to one. The science period. Okay, this one. Top volume. You know, I can do things before the top volume. I'll show you something. Today, okay, whatever I write here, I got no time to go through. Okay, I said today, if I'm correct, we shall see CapitaLand was bearing the top volume with price rally. This is a bold statement, and we shall watch. You know what happened the next day? You know what happened the next day, guys? Okay. I was late by 1 day, but the thing really appeared in top volume. Okay? Can you see here? The appeared in top volume straight away. Okay, let's go and see what happened when I sit on that day. Which day is this? November 29, okay? November 29. Okay, watch here. You see here? You see here? After the breakout, you see if I draw a resistance here, people will tell you, naturally if you draw a resistance, the people will definitely tell you, hey, this resistance is better short. No, don't short. Okay, definitely people go short. But when I made my call November 29, I said CapitaLand appeared in top volume with price rising. Can you see the next few bars, the price rose? Can you see? That's what I'm trying to tell you is this. I can tell you a stock before it appears in top volume. So I don't want volume. Yes. You can go through the entire post, you will see more amazing things which I really don't have time. But I want to show you the most classic one. Okay? And so when you keep rising, and tell people don't want spot business and want business. Okay, you have to watch the way how big boys buy. And you realize one thing when I make my post, it's within the what? It's within the contract period. So you don't have to fork out a single one. All you need is your broker to give you a good account, good cash, you know, in your account. And then you just have to buy 1, 2, 3 days, maybe T+7, you can negotiate. You see what happened here. Maybe this day you break out, you unload here, you see the day here, unload here, big money. My trades, some days it doesn't go according to my rate, but most of the days I try to make my trade as close as possible to contract period, so that I don't have to fork out a single one. Okay. But of course, some days